exploration of the fundamental principles of law and their critical application within the business world. This presentation will guide through the bedrock concepts that govern our societies and economies, offering insight into how legal framework shape commerce. What is law? Foundation and functions. Definition of law. Law is a system of rules created and enforced through social or governmental institutions to regulation behavior. It's a structured approach to maintaining order and ensuring justice within a society. Purpose of law. Its primary functions include establishing standards, maintaining order, resolving disputes, and protecting liberties and rights. Without law, society would develop into legislating mechanisms for fairness or protections. Sources of law. Laws originate from various sources: constitution, statutes, legislative acts, judicial precedents, case law, and administrative regulation. Each source contributes to the complex tapestry of legal governance. Branches of law: public, private, and international. Public law governs the relationship between individuals and the government. This includes constitutional law, administrative law, and criminal law, focusing on the state role and powers. Private law deals with the relationship between private citizens or organizations. Key areas include contract law, tort law, and property law, which facilitate civil interactions and transactions. International law regulates relations between nations. The branch addresses treaties, international agreements, and conventions, ensuring peaceful coexistence and cooperation on a global scale. Introduction of business law. Its scope and importance. Business law, also known as commercial law, is a branch of law that examines the rules, statutes, regulation, and code that govern commercial interactions. It encompasses a wide array of legal topics pertinent to business operation, from formations to dissolutions. Why business law matters? It provides a framework for conducting business ethically and legally, ensuring fair competition, protecting consumers, and facilitating orderly transactions. Understanding it is crucial for minimizing risks and maximizing opportunities. Key legal concepts in business: contract, torts, and property. Contract: legally binding agreement between two or more parties, enforceable by law, essential for any business transaction. Contract define terms, obligations, and expectations, providing a basis for trust and reliability. Torts civil wrong that cause a claimant to suffer loss or harm, resulting in legal liability for the person who commit the tortious acts. Businesses must understanding tort law to avoid negligence, defamation, and other potential liabilities. Property, legal right to possession or assets which can be tangible, real estate goods, or intangible intellectual property like patents, copyright, trademarks. Protecting business property is vital for sustained growth and competitive advantage. Business structures, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporations, sole proprietorship, owned and run by one individual with no legal distinctions between the owner and the business, simple to set up, but offers no personal liability protections. Other structures includes LLCs, limited liability companies, and corporatives, each offering any key benefits and liabilities depending on business needs and goal. Partnership, two or more individuals own and operate the business, offer shared responsibilities and resources, but comes with shared liability. Corporations, a legal entity separate and distinct from its owners, offers limited liability protections to owners, but is more complex to establish and maintain. Regulatory frameworks, government oversight in business. Government established various regulatory framework to ensure business operate fairly, safely, and ethically. This framework protect consumers, employees, and the environment, fostering a stable economic climate. Consumer protections, regulation against deceptive advertising, product safety standard, fair pricing practice, environmental laws, pollution control, waste management, research conservation, labor laws, minimum wage standards, workplace safety, usaha anti-discrimination law. Dispute resolutions, litigation, arbitration, and mediation. When conflict arise, business have several avenues for dispute resolution. Consing the right methods can significantly impact time, choice, and outcomes. Litigations, formal legal proceedings in a court of law involving extensive discovery and trial processes. It is generally the most adversarial and costly options. Arbitrations, a private process where disputes are submitted to one or more arbitrators choose decision. The awards is legally binding. It's often quicker and less formal than litigations. Mediations, a non-binding process where a neutral third party helps disputing parties communicate and reach a mutually acceptable agreement, is confidential and focus and compromise. Ethical consideration is business law beyond mere legal compliance. Ethical conduct is paramount of long-term business success and reputation. Business law often intersects with ethical principles, guiding companies toward responsible practice, corporate social responsibility. Businesses are increasingly expected to contribute to societal well-being, addressing environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors voluntarily. Fair dealing, transparency, honest and transparent operations build trust with customers, employees, and stakeholders, fostering a positive brand image and sustainable growth. Ethical leadership. Leaders set the tone for an organization. Ethical cultures and adhering to high ethical standards influence decision-making at all levels, preventing legal pitfalls and fostering a healthy work environment. Key takeaways and Q&A. Understanding the foundational principles of law and their specific applications in business is essential for navigating the complexities of the modern commercial landscape, from contract formation to ethical leadership. Legal literacy empowers business to drive responsibility. 1. Law underpins society. It provides the structure for order, justice, and protections of rights. 2. Business law is dynamic. It adapts to economy and social change, requiring continuous learning. Ethic and law intersearch. Responsible business practices go beyond mere compliance, embracing ethical considerations for long-term success. Questions and decisions. We welcome your concerns and vital. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very